We hear about AI constantly, how it's this huge revolutionary force that's changing everything. And it is. It's an incredibly powerful tool. But for a lot of businesses, that potential is so massive, it's almost paralyzing. It feels like this incredible destination, but nobody gave you a map to find the starting point.
And that's the big question, isn't it? It's one thing to know you should be doing something with AI, but it's a completely different ballgame to figure out, okay, what do we do on Monday morning? Well, the good news is there's a map for that. And here it is. This slide lays it out perfectly. We're going to use this AI adoption path as our guide. So try not to think of it as some scary unknown territory. Instead, think of it like a planned expedition, right? With clear stages, starting from a solid base camp and climbing all the way to the summit. Okay, so every great expedition starts with getting prepared at base camp. And in the world of AI, that base camp is what we call AI literacy. This is the absolute foundation. You can't skip this part.
Look, before you can build anything with AI, your team has to be speaking the same language. Without that, projects just get bogged down in confusion and totally mismatched expectations. And this step isn't about turning everyone into a data scientist, not at all. It's just about getting the whole team, from the CEO down to the project managers, on the same page about what AI is, what it isn't, and what it can actually do for your business.
So what does that common language actually cover? Well, it's the essentials. A solid intro to the basic concepts, a really honest discussion about the fears and objections people have, a critical look at responsible AI, and then, of course, exploring what other people are doing with it. You're basically creating a shared map of the entire journey ahead.
Now, here's the part that might surprise you. A lot of people think this foundational step must take weeks or even months. But check this out. It can be done in a single, focused 2.5-hour workshop. That's it. In less time than it takes to watch a superhero movie, you can build the alignment that will literally save you months of headaches down the road. What a powerful investment, right?
All right, so once you've packed your bags at base camp, it's time for the first climb. This isn't about trying to conquer the whole mountain in one go. No way. This is about tackling a smaller peak to prove you can do it, to build some momentum, and honestly, to get everyone excited. This is what we call the quick win stage.
The goal here is to create something this framework calls an AI Spark. It's a small-scale project, but with a really clear, high-impact result. It's totally designed to be a quick proof of value, to show the entire organization, hey, look what's possible with this stuff, right here, right now.
And the actual tangible thing you create in this stage is called an AI artifact. This isn't some abstract idea, it's a real tool. Maybe it's a chatbot to handle internal HR questions, or a document summarizer for the legal team. Something that solves a real problem and makes someone's job a little bit easier. It's the proof in the pudding.
And get this isn't some year-long slog. A successful AI Spark can be delivered in just 4 weeks. Look at this timeline. Week 1, you find a great use case. By week 2, you've already got a rough prototype. After some testing and tweaking, by the end of week 4, you have a finalized minimum viable product, your AI artifact, in your hands. That's how you build real momentum.
Okay, that quick win feels fantastic. But remember, it's just the first peak. Now you've got to map out the rest of the mountain range. This is where you zoom out from that one project and create a comprehensive company-wide strategy. This is the strategic blueprint.
And I love this slide because it shows the shift in thinking so clearly. We go from that AI Spark, that one bright, focused idea, to the AI Blueprint, which is the detailed architectural plan for how you're going to weave AI into the very fabric of the whole organization. It's all about scaling that initial success.
And this phase is all about producing concrete, actionable plans, not just wishful thinking. As you can see from these key deliverables, you actually walk away with an AI readiness assessment, a governance scorecard to make sure you're doing this responsibly, change management guidelines to help your team adapt, and, the crown jewel, a 12-month AI roadmap. That is your real strategic plan for the entire mountain.
So, after you've laid the foundation, scored a quick win, and drawn up that strategic blueprint, you're ready for the summit. This is where you reach peak performance. It's the point where AI stops being a project and starts becoming just how you work.
This final stage is all about deep integration. It's about using AI to speed up workflows, to seriously enhance decision-making, and to drive genuine business transformation. This is where that initial spark we talked about turns into a sustainable engine that powers the whole company.
So what does this actually look like day to day? Well, it means you're fundamentally rethinking core workflows with AI in mind.
It means you're developing custom AI agents that work right alongside your team members, and ultimately it means you're connecting AI deep into your core enterprise applications, using it as a catalyst for real, lasting change.
So there's one thing to take away from all this. It's that getting started with AI doesn't have to be this scary, overwhelming challenge. It's not one giant leap into the unknown. It's a journey, and it's taken one manageable, strategic step at a time.
From getting literate to scoring a quick win, building a strategic blueprint, and finally reaching peak performance, the path is actually pretty clear. So the only question left for you and your business is, what's the first step you're going to take?